Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to fix Snapchat glitch. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First and foremost, make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your device. For that, open up the Google Play Store and on the search bar type in Snapchat. Here, if your app is missing out any updates, you will get update option where I have opened. So tap on update, and once your app is updated, open up the Snapchat and check whether the problem is solved or not, and if not, try to clear the Snapchat cache from your device. For that, open up the settings, then tap on app, again tap on see all apps. Now search for Snapchat, then tap on Snapchat. Once you land on this page, tap on storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. That will clear all the junk files linked with Snapchat on your device, which might be causing the glitch. So once you clear that, head back to Snapchat and check whether the problem is solved or not. If still not, then check your internet connection as well. Poor internet connection can sometimes cause glitches in apps like Snapchat, so make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and you can also switch between your Wi-Fi connection or your cellular data if possible. After you check your internet connection, then again check whether it will help you out or not. If still not, then simply restart your device. Restarting your device can clear out temporary files and reset various processes, which might resolve the glitch. So press and hold the power button on your mobile device, then tap on restart. Once your app is restarted, refresh the Snapchat and open up the Snapchat and see whether the problem would be solved or not. If still not, then you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the Snapchat app. This can often resolve persistent glitches as it gives the app a fresh start. So simply uninstall the application. In order to do so, open up the applications from your mobile device, then on this Snapchat, press and hold. Then from this drop down menu, tap on app info, then tap on uninstall. Once you installed your Snapchat application, again install that from Google Play Store, then log in back to your account and check whether the problem would be solved or not. And that's how you can simply fix Snapchat glitch on your Android device. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.